Hi everybody, my name's Matt Elliott. I'm here at Guaranty RV Supercenters today to show you a really nice trailer. This trailer's special because it's small and light, but it's also very well built. This is called a Coachmen Apex, and this model's a 187 RB. If you've got a little tow vehicle that has a tow rating of, let's say, 5,000 pounds or less, this might be the perfect trailer for you. It only weighs 3,000 pounds dry, and so that gives a lot of people something they can pull. Let's take a look around at the inside. Now, one of the things that's really special about this trailer is that it's hard to find something small and light that also has a queen walk-around bed. The overall length, including the hitch on this trailer, is only 21 feet 4 inches. That's what it is. And so that makes it short and easy to park and turn around. But most trailers that small don't have a very nice bathroom or a walk-around bed or very much storage. And this actually has all three. So you can see right up here that first of all, we've got a walk-around bed. That's nice. It's easy to access from either side. It's easier to make, and it's easy to lift up underneath and get to some storage down below. Also, we have overhead and side storage. And just a little note about this storage. They put an angle on this cabinet so it's easier to reach up and get it to the top of the bed for making it and for getting in and out. Now you'll notice this has a front window on it. A lot of trailers for a long time have not had front windows. It's a trend that went away, and I think a lot of it was because we were having the beds up in the front of the trailer, and so they might want it to be darker. I'm not too sure, but I've really missed the windows because they let in a lot of light and make the trailer feel bigger. So this is nice. Now if we look here at the galley, one thing I want to point out, again, this is a pretty small trailer, and yet it has a large double sink with a divider so I can wash and rinse. We have a 2-burner stove. We have a microwave oven. Right down here is your propane furnace. We've got a dinette, and this is great because there's storage under both sides of the booth, and it'll fold down and make another bed. And of course it makes a seating area for up to 4 people. And you can see up here also that we have nice big storage cabinets. And up here is your media center. This plays Bluetooth off of your phone. Of course, it's a stereo system. It does a lot of good stuff. And then in the back, we have the bathroom. And this is a big deal to me because most trailers, the bathroom's kind of somewhere in the middle of the trailer, and it makes a small trailer feel even smaller. In this case, the bathroom's out of the way. It's in the very back of the trailer, and that opens up the whole entire floor plan. Plus, I get a nicer bath. This has a shower, has a toilet. It has a full storage area that can be a wardrobe. There's hanging storage. I don't know if you can get in here and take a look or not, but it's nice to have that in a small trailer. Now, another thing I want you to know about this trailer before we go outside. Most small trailers like this do not have full-size fridges with big freezers. A lot of them just have a little single-door fridge. The other thing is, the way this is built is different than most trailers. Sometimes ultra light means ultra cheap or ultra fast to build, but that's not the case with these Apexes. Coachmen's been around over 50 years and they really know what they're doing. This roof is a solid core roof. It's not a truss roof. It's one piece. And what happens is that the material that's in there, because it's solid core, there's no place for water to travel around in this roof. So if you ever do get a seal that fails or you make a hole in your rubber roof, the water doesn't really have any place to go. It really makes your situation for damage much more isolated. And that's great. That's going to make this trailer last longer. Another thing that's really cool about this trailer is that in the sidewall, where most trailers have a layer of veneer wood underneath their fiberglass to help bond everything together, this has a material called Asdel, and it is a composite, and it's waterproof and it's not biodegradable. If you've ever seen an older fiberglass trailer, it's been around a while, some of them have delamination where the sidewalls started to separate. That's because of that wood, and this doesn't have any of that in it. So I think that's pretty outstanding. Now as we look up front, you see we have a really nice big storage area all the way across. We have a solar panel connector here, and this is wonderful because what you can do is you can hook up a portable solar panel to this and it'll reinforce your batteries all day long. Then at night when you're ready to turn on your lights, you got a nice full battery charge. It's a great idea. This, I mentioned the window earlier. This is the new fiberglass enclosure for the front end of the trailer. This is going to be durable and long-lasting, aerodynamic, and it's good looking too. This is an LED rope light for your front hitch area, and you also have that lighting underneath your awning, and there's LED lights throughout the coach. They're very efficient. They don't use much energy. Okay, so we come back here. A small detail I like to point out is this uses a removable shore cord, so I can actually take that shore cord off and store it away, and that reduces the chances that someone's going to run off with it or remove it from my trailer for me, so it's more secure. The other thing that's nice, this has a sewer flush on it, and that means after I dump my tank, then I can rinse it out and make sure there's no residual inside my tank. It makes it a lot easier to service in the long run. Okay, and in the very back, the last thing I want to point out is that we've got a nice crowned effect to this ceiling. It's got a good arc to it. That's going to give you some water runoff, and it makes the trailer last longer, which is what we would want. We want a trailer that's going to last a long time, right? So this is the Apex by Coachmen. This is the Nano model. It only weighs 3,000 pounds. It's a 187 RB. I hope you like this video. If you have any questions or you'd like to see the trailer in person, please just give me a call. My name is Matt Elliott, and you can reach me at 541-954-8495. You have a great day.